In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on Windows 11. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open the network and internet settings. To do this, click on the Start menu and then select Settings. Once you're in the Settings window, click on Network and Internet on the left sidebar. Next, click Turn on Wi-Fi if it is off. Then select Show Available Networks to view available networks. Here you'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Find your network in the list and click on it. After selecting your network, a prompt will appear asking for the password. Enter your Wi-Fi password. And click Next. Once you've entered the correct password, Windows 11 will connect to the network. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that you're connected. If you encounter any issues, here are a few troubleshooting tips. 1. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. 2. Ensure you enter the correct password. 3. Restart your router and your PC. 4. Check for any software updates that might affect your network connectivity. If you're still having problems, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. That's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.